Hi everybody, it's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette, and I'm here with a scrapbooking video. I just got my mystery box from Doodlebug Design, and I'm really excited to open it. It is available only through Air stores. It's an Air exclusive, and Air stands for Association of Independent Retailers. I got mine at Scrap-a-Latte, which is in West Babylon, New York on Long Island. I will put a link to their website in the description box below this video. And they still have some left, so you'll want to either go to their website or go in person and pick one up. It's $65 and it has a USD value of $215, and Doodlebug is my absolute favorite scrapbooking company. It has been my favorite since I started scrapbooking back in 2001. Wow. And I just absolutely love them. So I'm really excited. I have not opened it yet. It's still sealed. So I think I'm going to have to slice this here carefully. Right? And let me close this because Henry's on the bed. See if I can get you a little footage of Henry later. Oh, here he comes. All right, go settle down, Henry. All right, I'm sorry if this gets a little close to the camera. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Wow. Lots of embellishments. I don't know where to start. So we've got some dotlets and really cute jelly clips. Oh, how cute. And, oh, some of these words, I had these years ago. They're so cute. Vintage now, right? Rhinestones, mini jewels. These are great. I'm going to do the paper later. Popcorn. How cute. Shaker pop. Little mini letters. Are these rub-ons? Yes, they are. How adorable. I don't ever remember seeing these. Another doodle pop with a little doggy. How cute. And I guess it goes with this, which I'll get to later. And let's see, shape sprinkles. These are donuts and cookies. Are they cookies? Yeah, they look like cookies. How cute. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I had these back in the day. They're numbers and they're clear acrylic. How cute. I was just thinking of these on my drive home, actually. That's funny. Some ribbon. Okay, this is Boy Oh Boy. Cute red and blue. Nice. Go with a lot of things. Some washi tape. This is Bits of Nature. So this is nice for the fall. Leaves, acorns, some flowers. And what is that there? I'm not sure what that is there. Kind of looks like a porcupine. Is it a leaf maybe? Not sure. I'll try to figure that one out. But that's cute though. And some clips. Cute paper clips. And these are shape sprinkles. Time for takeout. Little pizzas and bottles of soda, cans of soda. Adorable. And these are headlines. Oh, so these are stickers that you can use for titles. Lovable, playful. Sprinkles. I love those, like enamel dots. Great. I'll use them for sure. And more rub-ons, lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. This goes, I think, with the, I don't know if it's called Wild About You or the zoo paper. I still have a few sheets of that. Really cute. The only one for me is you and you for me. So happy together. Oh my gosh. Remember that song? Wow. These are rub-ons too. More sticker titles, headlines. And what I really love, let's imagine in springtime, what I really love about Doodlebug is that they have not changed their color palette. So everything will work with the old and the new lines. Oh, these are little brads. Cute. With glitter hearts. And doodle quotes. Birthday quotes. And oh, these go with the flower box. Happy Harvest. Down here they have the collections that they go with. Really cute. Okay. Here's another one. I have this one. Take note. I have some of this paper left. And Bits and Pieces, Gingerbread Kisses. I think I have some of that paper. And anyway, they'll go with all of their lines. So even if I get the new Christmas collection, they'll work. These look like, lots of love. These look like, yep, Valentine's Day. And Puffy Icons. These are from, these look like fruits and vegetables. Yep. I'm not sure which line they come from. Veggie Garden. Makes sense. And these are Halloween, Monster Madness. Oh, these are great. You can see what's in there. I think I just got one of their Halloween lines. Oh, I was just thinking of these too, the tokens. You know, I think I gave some of mine away, what I had left. And I think that's one of the only things I regret giving away. Because they were always so cute. And these look like sequins. Yep, heart sequins. A lot of embellishments here. That's great because I have a lot of their paper. These are star eyelets. And vacation travel. I think these are travel suitcase doodle pops. Get packing. And let's see, we've got some clothespins, metallic. You know what? These will be nice for little gift bags for Christmas. And close them with these. That would be great. And okay, we'll just pick what's next here. 6x6 paper pad, Hometown USA. I have some of these in the larger sheets, so it's nice to have the 6x6. Another doodle pop. This is, oh, that's so cute. It's a Christmas house. Peppermint Place. And these are recipe cards. Oh my gosh, I remember this line. I think I have this line. This is, oh no, this is Farmer's Market. These are really cute. I don't know. I don't want to open the whole thing, but I don't know if you can see in there. But you can do your journaling on there. Let's see, hold on. I'll open it. Let's see. I want to see what they look like anyway. Chuck this under here. So, it's backwards. Oh, these are actual recipe cards. So cute. I may use them for recipe cards. I may just use them for journaling. I think they make great little journaling cards. If you want it, you can put the year there. You know, and you can cover that up if you want to. Those are great. Oh, doilies. Oh, the bigger doilies. I used to have the little mini ones. I used a lot of those up. And these mini icons. Oh, how cute. This goes with spring things. Oh. And this is the paper. All right, let me, I'm going to open up the package off camera because it may make a lot of crinkly noise. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm really excited here. Saw some cute things while I was opening this. So these stickers, these are the icon stickers for Bow Wow. I believe I have that collection. And These are Bonbon. Those are nice, brown. They'll go with a lot of things. Those will go with the Bow Wow and the other dog collection I have, and the cat collection. These are tags and tabs from Easter. I already know what papers this will go with. Glitter border stickers, fancy frills. Hello Spring. I have this collection. And here are the papers. Oh, Candy Cane Lane. Adorable. More Candy Cane Lane. So this one was, I'll tell you what the name of this one is. This is actually called Candy Cane Lane. Right. And then this sheet is Berry Merry. And there's the, oh, cute for an advent calendar. That's adorable. This is from Gingerbread Kisses. Did you see how they all go together because of the color palette that's consistent? I love it. Oh, how cute is that? Season's Greetings. This is the tag sheet. And on the other side, if you want to use this, when you cut out the tags on the other side, you can just flip it over if you want to use the blank side. You can use that for journaling, or you can just use the top part and have them sticking out from a border strip or pictures. I love it. I Heart Travel, World Traveler with the globes and the international flags on the other side. This one's called World Traveler, this sheet. Party Time, Playful Puppies. Cute, that'll go with the Bow Wow, right? And the stickers, the letter stickers here. Adorable. And Happy Birthday on the other side. Land That I Love, that this is called Uncle Sam, this sheet, and that goes with, it will coordinate with the Hometown USA very nicely. I don't really scrapbook 4th of July, but this would even look good for Christmas. Candy cane, red and white stripes. So that it would work for Christmas also. And then you've got the, how cute, it's a little baby eagle with an Uncle Sam hat. Cute. Lots of love. So this is their, what do they call this? Forever Flowers. They call this their, I forgot, a journaling sheet, maybe? I don't remember, but it comes with all their kits. And there's the other side. Seaside Summer. This will go with the summer line that I just got, the most recent one this past summer. And this paper is actually called Seaside Summer. And there's the reverse side. It's got starfish on it. Over the Rainbow. Oh, look at those ladybugs and mushrooms. And this sheet is called Spring Garden. Love the plaids. I love their plaids. Doodlebug and Lawn Fawn, I think, do the best plaids. And this is Happy Haunting, so it'll coordinate with some of the Halloween assortment brads and some of the other, where is it? Yep, here it is. The Odds and Ends, Monster Madness. Coordinates really well with that. I like this other side too. I like that yellow. The Doodlebug yellow is really nice. Lots of love. Cute. I'm glad I'm getting, I don't have any of these papers. I know it. And these will look nice with, I like that X's and O's. Really cute. I like that they'll go with other collections I have. Daily Doodles. This is called Line Aid. Nice calendar page. I love this green. quatrefoil. Nice. Another Happy Haunting sheet. This one is I Want Candy. Oh, and it's the reverse side of the journaling sheets. Hey, Henry, be careful. There you go. Good boy. And this acetate is sugar sprinkles. Can you see? It looks like the sprinkles that you put on cupcakes or cookies and cakes. I love that. Hats off. Oh, I bet this is graduation, right? It's silver and white. This is called Sterling Stripes. Oh, I don't have any of their metallic paper. Yeah, I think that, yeah, congrats, you did it. Yep, amazing. Wow, yay. This must have been a graduation line. This would even look nice for Christmas, the silver and white. I'd like to pair that with the red and white stripe from the other collection earlier. Fairy tales. Oh, how sweet is that for a little girl's birthday or a big girl's birthday? Oh, the unicorns and rainbows and ice cream and cupcakes and clouds and heart. Oh, balloons, castles. Adorable. And I do have this. I love this. The vellum sheets. I think I have all the colors. This should be licorice. Right? Oh no, beetle black. Oh, great. And I think this might just be a sheet of... Oh no, wait, hold on. Thought it was just a sheet of white cardstock. It is the sticker sheet, cardstock sticker sheet. Fairy Garden. They call it their This and That sheet. Wow. So there we have it, everybody. This was my Doodlebug mystery box. I love it. I really love it. Some nice papers that I didn't have. Sticker sheets that I didn't. I don't have any of this. So I'm really happy. And like I said, it's going to go with so many collections that I've got because that's just the way Doodlebug is. All of their colors, their color palette hasn't changed, and I don't think they will. And I, for one, think that's great because I know that I can rely on the matching and the coordination. So for $65, and yeah, I definitely think there's at least $215 worth of products in here because if you know your prices, you know that's correct. So anyway, everyone, thanks for joining me. And I will be back soon, probably with another jewelry making video. But stay tuned because I'm going to try and get a little of the Henry cam going. Bye now. Hi, Henry. Oh, he's got a little tear stain. I think his allergies are bothering him. Hi. Henry wanted me to remind you to like and subscribe and comment and all the good things. And we will see you soon. I'm going to let Henry nap. I think his tummy's bothering him a little bit today. So I'm going to let him continue on to his nap. Bye.